Welcome back to School's Challenge Quiz. You are watching the 20th match in round 1. Scores are Calabar High neck and neck on 7 with Magotty High on 6. It's now time for the Speed Challenge, in which teams can answer as many questions as possible during 3 separate 60-second periods. Calabar High, you won the toss, decided to go first. It's time for your first minute. In the Bible, who were Naomi's 2 daughters-in-law?
Ruth and Orpah.
Correct. What is another name for the chrysalis of a butterfly?
People.
Correct. Complete the proverb. Opportunity knocks but?
Few answer.
But once. Who is the Prime Minister of Belize?
Belize Prime Minister.
John Briceño.
Correct. Hemophobia is a chronic fear of what?
Blood.
That's right. What is the second longest river in Europe?
After the Volga comes to Danube.
Rhine.
Danube.
Sorry?
Danube.
Danube is correct. There was a mix-up beforehand. I think you were consulting. Who recorded the song Always Be My Baby?
Mariah Carey.
That's right. What is the formula for iron 3 sulfate?
Fe.
Fe2 bracket SO4 bracket 3.
Correct. What is the size of each interior angle of a regular pentagon?
180 degrees.
That's right. Who was the lead actress in the movie La La Land?
La La Land. Richard McAdams.
Emma Stone. In what year was U.S. President John F. Kennedy assassinated?
1903.
Correct. For which European football club does Antonio Rudiger play?
Chelsea FC.
That's right. What specific term is used to refer to the region surrounding a magnet inside of which?
Field.
I did hear magnetic field. Not sure if it was on the bell. All right. I'm being told it was after the bell, but well done, Calabar. All the same, for your first minute, Magotty High, coming over to you now for your first minute here in the Speed Challenge. In the Bible, who were Naomi's 2 sons? That's right. What is the name for the larval stage of a frog?
Pupa.
Right, I heard tadpole first, and then pupa came. Tadpole is the correct answer. Complete the proverb. A thing begun
That thing done.
is half done. Who is Prime Minister of the Bahamas?
So this Philip Davis.
That's right. Ophidiophobia is a
Snakes.
deep fear of snakes is correct. The Black Sea lies between which 2 continents?
Eurasia.
That's right. Who recorded the song If We Hold On Together?
Wilson.
Diana Ross. What is the formula for ammonium sulfite?
At the NH4. 2SO3.
That's right. What is the sum of the interior angles of an octagon?
1080. 1080.
Degrees.
That's right. Viola Davis has won an Oscar for Best Supporting Actress for her role in which movie?
Help.
Fences. In which state did the assassination of U.S. President John F. Kennedy occur?
Which state? Texas.
That's right. For which European football club does Bukayo Saka play?
Chelsea.
Arsenal. What is the name of the tiny regions inside of ferromagnetic? And we won't have time. Well done, Magotty, for your first minute.
Oh, he's just 3 points.
Be back in just a moment. Calabar High, we are ready for you for your second minute here in the Speed Challenge. What is the meaning of the French verb penser?
To think.
That's right. What is the name of the 12-year-old protagonist in Michael Anthony's novel, The Year in San Fernando?
Francis.
That's right. Complete the Jamaican phrase, gimme basket for carry.
Water.
That's right. In the Bible's Old Testament, Eve was created out of which of Adam's
Rib.
parts?
Rib.
Yes, that's right. What is the scientific term for the maintenance of constant
Homeostasis.
conditions? Sorry?
Homeostasis.
Correct. In the internal environment of the body. Which 6-letter adjective starting with C means hidden or secret?
Covert.
That's right. Who is the president of Germany?
Germany. Frank Walter Steinmeier.
That's right. Which date is celebrated each year as International Women's Day?
Women's Day.
Eight.
April 8.
March 8.
April 8.
March 8.
March 8. April 8 came first. Judges, in which Caribbean country is Mount Hillaby?
Barbados.
That's right. Which Jamaican reggae artist recorded the single Money in My Pocket?
Money in my pocket.
Brace. Hammond.
Dennis Brown. What is the chemical symbol and atomic number of krypton?
So KR 36.
That's right. What is 30% of 750?
3 by 75.
All right. 225 is the answer. I think you almost had it. Well done, Calabar, for your second minute. And March 8 came first, I'm being told, so you will get those points. Magotty, we're coming over to you now for your second minute. What is the meaning of the French verb vivre?
Philip.
That's right. What is the name of the messianic folk Rastafarian healer in Roger Mays' novel Brother Man?
So pass.
John Power. Complete the Jamaican proverb. Too much rata.
Never kill the wall.
That's right. In the Bible's New Testament specifically, whose clothing was made of camel's hair? That's right. What is the name for the hollow cup of cells at the start of a nephron?
Glomerulus.
Bowman's capsule. Which 8-letter adjective starting with E means articulate or well-spoken?
Eloquent.
That's right. Who is the Russian Prime Minister?
Russian. So this is
Jeanette Ennis.
Mikhail Mishustin. Which date is celebrated each year as International Human Rights Day?
December 10.
Correct. In which Caribbean country is the Gros Piton?
Martinique.
St. Lucia. Which Jamaican reggae artist recorded the single Good Thing Going?
Good thing going, Bersaman.
Sugar Minot. What is the chemical symbol and atomic number of cobalt?
Seoul.
27.
That's right. What is 20% of 450?
27.
Here's 40.
90. Who was the Oscar-winning actor? And we won't have time. Well done, Magotty, for your second minute. Calabar, gentlemen, coming back over to you now for your third and final minute. Mahershala Ali won his first Oscar for Best Supporting Actor in which 2016 movie?
16.
The Good. Hill.
No.
Come on.
Moonlight.
Moonlight is correct. Which U.S. president was nicknamed Honest Abe?
Honestly.
Abraham Lincoln.
That's right. Who has scored the most three-pointers in the history of the U.S.
Stephen Curry.
NBA?
Yes.
Sorry?
Stephen
Stephen
Curry.
Curry.
That's right. What is the SI unit of thermodynamic temperature?
Kelvin.
That's right. What is the English equivalent of the Spanish proverb? Más vale pájaro en mano...
bush.
That's correct. Which American author wrote the novel A Rose for Emily?
What's it, Millie? Natalie Hawthorne.
William Faulkner. In which Jamaican parish is the town of Middle Quarters?
Middle Quarters.
Saint Elizabeth.
That's right. In the Bible, how many persons were crucified along with Jesus?
Two.
That's right. What is the common name for sucrose?
Sucrose.
Table sugar.
Yes.
Correct. Spell scientific.
S-C-I-N. Pass.
SEIENTIFIC. In economics, what does the abbreviation CPI stand for?
Consumer price index.
Correct. How many arms does a squid have?
10.
8. Off the coast of which country can the Great Blue Hole be found?
Blue hole. Yeah, then. Belize.
Belize is correct and came before the bell. Well done, gentlemen, for your third and final minute. Magotty High, coming back over to you now for your third and final minute. Which British Prime Minister was nicknamed the Iron Lady?
Margaret Thatcher.
That's right. Who has scored the most total points in the history of the US NBA?
LeBron James.
Kareem Abdul-Jabbar. What is the SI unit of luminous intensity?
Candela.
Candela.
That's right. What is the English equivalent of the Spanish proverb? A caballo regalado no le mires el diente.
Give horse in the mouth.
That's right. Which American author wrote the novel Life on the Mississippi?
Pass.
Mark Twain. In which Jamaican parish is the Rose Hall Great House?
St.
Martinique.
James.
St. James is correct. In the Bible, who was the first Christian martyr?
Stephen.
Correct. What is the common name for maltose?
Maltose. Glucose.
Malt sugar. Spell catastrophe.
CATASTROPHE.
Correct. In economics, what does the abbreviation GNP stand
Gross
for?
national product.
That's correct. How many arms does an octopus have?
8.
Correct. Off the coast of which Australian province can the Great Barrier Reef be
Tasmania.
found? Sorry?
Tasmania.
Queensland. Which reggae star died on the 11th of September 1987?
Dennis Brown.
Peter Tosh. What is the atomic number of carbon?
Correct.
6.
Good. What is the range? And we won't have time. Well done. Magotty High for your third and final minute. That is the end of the speed challenge for this evening. Scores in the match look to be Calabar High pulling ahead to 37 points. Magotty High on 29. Very much in the game, Magotty. When we come back, it'll be time for the exciting Buzzer Challenge, which will decide our winners. Stay with us. The 20th match in TVJ's Schools Challenge Quiz returns right after these messages.